It is submitted that policy guidelines framed by the state government and circulated on 6/7/2020 demonstrates a resolve of the state to show zero tolerance to crime. It is submitted that the Police Act of 1961 permits opening of history sheets, and it further permits display of such history sheets on display board maintained by each police station. It is submitted that law laid down by the Supreme Court in KS Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India and others as reported in 2019 1 SCC 1 has its own limitations in regard to securing right to privacy, placing reliance on para 98 of the judgment, which quotes from another judgment of the Supreme Court in National Human Rights Commission versus State of Arunachal Pradesh 1996 1 SCC 742 that we are a country governed by the rule of law. Our constitution confers certain rights on every human being and certain other rights on citizens. Every person is entitled to equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. It is submitted that if criminals have any right, then citizens to have their rights. Rights of citizens cannot be jeopardized in the name of extending protection of the criminals. Learned AAG submits that policy cannot be quashed merely for the asking, and further, as per concept of rule of law propounded by Dicey, maintenance of law and order is the prime responsibility of the functionaries of police. Therefore, publishing list of top 10 criminals cannot be faulted with. Policy is unquestionable. Therefore, petitions be dismissed. Having heard learned counsel for the parties and after going through the records, it is apparent that policy guidelines issued by the Director General of Police is not in the exercise of executive powers of the governor conferred under Article 162 of the Constitution. The policy guideline is neither issued in the name of or by the order of governor, nor it has any force of law. However, a close scrutiny of the policy and its aim and object can be inferred from the opening lines of the circular dated 6 June 2020, which lays down the background in which it has been issued. Backdrop is a video conference convened by the Chief Minister to discuss law and order situation, especially in the context of loss of lives of 7 police personnel in an ambush between police personnel and miscreants recently at village Bikru of Kanpur Nagar. Para 2 of the policy oblique circular provides for preparation of a list of top 10 criminals at the level of each police station and district so to keep it updated to help police in keeping a tab on active, hardened and functional criminals. In fact, most of the provisions in the circular are in consonance with law laid down by the Supreme Court in Prakash Singh and others versus Union of India and others 2006 8 SCC 1, which extensively dealt with subject of police reforms and the exercises which are required to be taken to insulate police machinery from political and executive interference so as to make it more efficient, effective and strengthen rule of law. Thus, when tested on this touchstone, circular guidelines policy of the state cannot be said to be arbitrary, but any action taken by the police personnel in excess of the authority bestowed upon them, though the circular policy regulations or police act is definitely required to be tested on the touchstone of Article 14, 15 and 16 of the Constitution of India.